Hello, I am Amber Irwin, co-founder of Social Speak Network. I am so excited to talk to you today about some social media tips when it comes to the holiday season. Did you know that 64% of consumers turn to social media platforms when looking for a gift idea for their friends and loved ones? Social media plays a huge role in gift ideas. This is looking on Instagram, Pinterest, Facebook. They're looking at the reviews. So when it comes to the holiday season, which we're already almost through it. Next week is Christmas, guys. Can you believe that? This year has flown by. But it's important to remember to post holiday themed content. Look at, take this opportunity to look at, what special offers you can put out there. Maybe it's a daily gratitude quote. Maybe it's something about, what are you thankful for this season? What have you learned through this 2021 year? And have it be related to holiday themes. Maybe it's the 12 days of Christmas. What can you offer each day that your audience would like? And this could be, a discount of the day. So really thinking of holiday themed content is number one. Number two is a holiday giveaway. Now, since we're already in the middle of December and Christmas is next week, this may be a little difficult to give an item away and be able to get it to them before Christmas, but maybe it's a holiday giveaway that is for them for the new year. Maybe if you are a blogger and you are working on a vision board workshop, maybe this is a digital download that you can give away to them, a course that you're giving away, and it could still be a free product, but it doesn't have to be given to them before Christmas. This is just a holiday giveaway that you can run over the next week or 2 weeks to be able to stay in front and stay top of mind with your audience. Number three, get your ads ready. So we should all be running ads on Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest, Google Ads, and you want to make sure that your ads are set up correctly, but they're also, if you're promising free shipping or that the product will be there before the holidays, you want to make sure, come Monday the 20th, that that's still the case. So making sure that your ads are up to date and that they are also referencing your sales that you're talking about already. And so that is important, making sure that your ads are ready to go, that you have, you're doing different types of ads, that you're boosting posts, and you're promoting pins, linking back to your website or your special offer. So ads are key. Number four, create genuine holiday messages. And this kind of goes back into that first part of holiday themed content. Everyone right now, there's a lot of people that still haven't done any of their Christmas shopping, and they are rushing around for the perfect gift for that perfect someone or their friends or teachers, coworkers, whatever that may be. And so, yes, they're looking for the deals, and that piece is important, but you don't want to come across too salesy. And I think that this is a really good time of year, really starting with Thanksgiving through the end of the year, working on what you are grateful for and allowing your audience to see that side of you as well. Maybe you are, if you're a lifestyle blogger, this comes easy because you're talking about your daily life every day. Like, what does that consist of? What are you working on? What are you doing? And maybe just taking it a step further, just being real. Maybe it's about, talking about the behind the scenes efforts that go into this, or things that people have been asking questions about. Just making sure that your message this time of year is genuine. Maybe you want to focus on, a nonprofit, a local nonprofit. Maybe it's a family in your neighborhood that's struggling this year, and you're helping to raise funds, food, presents to make their holiday season so much better than what it could be. And so maybe that's what you're talking about on social media and in the community, is just something genuine that goes with, you know, who you are as a person, who you are as a brand, and what your core values are. So be genuine this holiday season. The next one is we are going to talk about, let's see, that was 4, 5, practice the art of storytelling. This again goes back to just being an authentic brand and talking about, you know, we've been through a lot in the past 2 years, from March of 2020 to this year. A lot of people, this year was a rebuilding year. A lot of people had to, you know, change their digital marketing strategy. Maybe they were a brick and mortar and they went to an online. Maybe, you know, you have always been a blogger, and over the past, you know, 2 years, you've been able to really hone in on what that blog is. And so if you're being a blogger, you already have that natural writing ability. And so taking it, again, just taking it a step further and bringing in the storytelling piece. And I think that this is really ties that authentic brand together. So practicing that, even, you know, interviewing other people within your, you know, within your industry, or that are like-hearted to your brand, and telling their story. You know, again, if you're doing a community give back to, again, a family, a nonprofit, whatever that may be, why are you doing it? What's your why? And then asking that organization or that family, you know, how are they helping, you know, if it's a nonprofit, what's their why? And interview them and do a piece on them. That storytelling piece is huge. And I think that this is something that people really can resonate with. So final thoughts, the holidays are a time to have joy in our family and with our friends, togetherness. And for business, it doesn't stop. We have to keep going, but we want our customers and our audience to know that we're still here, and that we're here for them, and we care about them and their families, and we want that community. So we're going from just being a business where people purchase items or services or downloads from us, to really building that community of friendship with our audience. And so that is what we are hoping you can do this holiday season and continue to work on come 2022, is continue growing those relationships and those connections and that audience, and just being there for them in a transparent, authentic brand. So if you need help with your social media marketing, reaching your audience, putting together that strategy, you know, working on maybe you haven't done Pinterest to the best of your ability, and that's something you want to work on in 2022, reach out to us. Let's set up a call. Let's see where you're struggling. Let's see where you need help, and how we can help you with that process. We would love to set up a free 30-minute call just to learn more about you and your business, and see if there's something we can help with. So until then, happy holidays, and we'll chat soon. Thanks.